PSNL stock analysis, Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1 minute PSNL stock analysis video, so watch till the end. Personalis stock. Personalis, whatever the pronunciation is, I'm probably butchering it up, but I love how it went up before and then now it's here kind of moving. It's still moving, so that's cool. This is... Do I have my drone here? Yeah, I do. So I was looking for longs here and the price came like quite cool and almost delivered and then came down again. After it came down, I abandoned it. You know, I never looked at it. And since it started shifting, it caught my attention yet again. I'm seeing the first break up here, which is cool and everything. For me to really be cool and satisfied, I want to see a second break, baby. Yeah, second break. And if I see that then and only then I can start taking things up. Other than that, I'm definitely going to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter and I'll see you in the next one.